Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be showing you guys my favorite products to use on my locks. So first I'm going to be talking about my favorite shampoo. Well, technically this isn't shampoo, it's soap, but it's my fave nevertheless. Tea Tree Soap by Dr. Bronners, 18-in-1 hemp tea tree pure Castile soap. I also enjoy the same soap in peppermint and in lavender. I love these soaps. They're very clarifying, so I do recommend it as a regular soap to use. As a soap to use regularly to help keep your locks clean and light and build-up free. I especially love the tea tree soap because I sometimes get acne, like body acne, and it's really good for that. So I also use it to bathe, and the lavender one is really great to bathe with. The aromatherapy is wonderful, and the peppermint one is also really good to bathe with, especially in the summer months. It'll help to keep your skin really cool, but be mindful around your privates. Some people dilute the soap before use. I personally don't. I just make sure that my hair is thoroughly saturated with water before I add the soap. So I don't believe that you have to dilute it. The directions say to dilute before use, but use your discretion. You know what your hair can and can't handle, or at least you'll learn. Now, as far as my favorite conditioner, I don't have any with me today. I haven't bought some more in a long time. I ran out a while ago. I have not been using conditioner. I know typically I do say that I use conditioner sometimes, but it has been a while. You know what? Ever since I did my build-up removal video, check that out. Or at least before then, I haven't used conditioner. But my favorite conditioner is definitely the conditioner that comes with, is it Dark and Lovely or is it Clairol Textures and Tones? Either way, one of those brands, they have a conditioner that comes in the box, and it's by Pantene, and it's for relax and natural. When I go shopping for it, I typically find the one that's for relax and the one that's for natural. It's really hard to find the conditioner for relax and natural. However, either or, I've tried the relax one, I've tried the natural one. Either way, I really like both of those conditioners on my hair, and I like to dilute it as well, so keep that in mind. If you're going to be using conditioner, I recommend that you dilute it so it's easier to wash out and you'll be less likely to produce product buildup. Now, as for my favorite products to use to retwist my hair, I like to retwist my hair while it's wet with water, and that makes my retwist a lot faster. So typically I don't use any products, but there are times when I want a really sleek look, and that's when I will use this gel. It's called Lock Twist Wave Edge Gel. Now, I'm not even sure if this is available in the market. Just so you know, it's really firm. It's a really firm oil, and gel. It's a really firm gel, and it really keeps the hairs in place. Sometimes I would just use it on my edges. I can use it as an edge control as well. It's not quite as hard as your typical edge control gel, but it can work for edge control for me, at least with my hair texture on my edges. My edges tend to be a bit softer than the rest of my hair, so it works as edge control as well. If I can compare to another gel that I know for a fact is in the market, Joie or Joie. I haven't seen it in a while, but I know that gel as well is really firm. Another product that I like to use for my retwists, if I'm using a product at all, is Dr. LOCS locking spray, the Imani locking spray. It's a liquid. You're spraying this liquid into your hair, and it's the texture of it's kind of tacky, but I don't want to use the word tacky because that sounds kind of gross. But when it dries, it really holds. I have all good things to say about the locking spray. It's one of my favorite products to use for a retwist, so I had to shout it out. And sometimes you would use it for holding my curl set. I don't always use any kind of setting lotion or setting spray, mousse, or anything like that when it comes to me putting my hair in curls. However, I do sometimes use the locking spray, and I would mist my hair with it completely and put my hair in the rollers, and that does help a little bit to keep my curls. As for edge control, specifically edge control, one of my favorite edge controls is by Karen's Body Beautiful Sleek Strands Edge Control, and it says maximum hold on it, maximum control, and it's almost done. Yeah, this is a lot firmer than the gel I just showed you. I don't retwist with edge control. Some people do. That's just not for me. On a rare occasion I want to sleek my edges. Maybe I don't have a retwist, but I still want to sleek my edges back. I'll put the edge control on and brush it backwards, or I'll just use it to lay my little baby hairs down a little bit, the little baby hairs that I have. Okay, now as for moisturizers, oils. I use oils to moisturize my hair. I know a lot of people use butters and things like that. I prefer to just use oil. Butters are too heavy in my opinion for locks, at least on a regular basis. And my favorite lightweight oils are my oils, obviously. They're available on my shop. The horsetail leaf growth oil is infused with horsetail leaf, not the extract, the actual herb. It's really lightweight, so it's pretty easily absorbed into the scalp and in the hair. So pretty much has the same ingredients as this, except it has emu oil as well. And I like to use this particularly on my hairline, and that helps it to thicken up and stay strong. So, and they smell pretty good too. Check them out. You can get each of them individually, or you can get them together for a discounted price. I like to use those oils for my hot oil treatment sometimes as well. But when I really want to condition my hair, but I don't use conditioner, so I want to use a nice heavier oil, I'll use Jamaican black castor oil. Now, this is not an oil I would use on a regular basis at all because it's so heavy. I don't like using heavy oils on my hair at all. I know a lot of times a lot of people prefer heavy oils. That's just not for me. So if you like light oils, definitely check out the oils on my shop. Check the link below. But if you like heavier oils, Jamaican black castor oil is a really good one. It's also known to help with thickening hair, so keep that in mind. It makes my hair really soft when I use it for a hot oil treatment as well. And for a hot oil treatment, I would just use it simply after I wash my hair. I'll apply it on my scalp and moisturize it into my scalp, and also rake it into my hair, maybe apply a little extra into my hair, and then I would wrap my hair in a hot towel. Basically, I'll use the same towel that I use to dry my hair. I won't dry it fully, so it's damp, and I'll just put that damp towel in the microwave, heat it up for a bit, and then wrap my hair in it for maybe 20 minutes, and that's my hot oil treatment. And then I'll go for a retwist just like that, without adding any gels at that point, because my hair has nice moisture and I don't need it. Now I'll be showing you guys my favorite leave-in spray, and it is Creme of Nature's Argan Oil from Morocco Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. As you can hear, it's a liquid, and I like to use this on my hair after I mist it with water. Sometimes I'll use it dry, but if I use it dry, I'll probably spray it into my hands first and then rake it in. Or if I'm spraying it in, I have to be mindful and remember to spray it from a bit of a distance, because if I spray too close, then it concentrates in one area, and that's not what you want. You want it to be pretty evenly distributed through your hair. And this leaves my hair feeling really soft, especially when I do it after my hair has been washed or freshly misted, or even if I just come out the shower. Even if I didn't wash my hair, maybe I'll put my hair up to go shower, and then some steam gets into it, and then I'll spray the leave-in, and it leaves my hair pretty soft. I'm about halfway through this bottle. I'm gonna need some more soon. Now, last but not least, I like to spray my hair with an oil mist. Sometimes if I'm going to take photos, or if I'm just stepping out and I want to look really nice, I want my hair to look shiny, so I will just reach for something like this. This is the Jane Carter Solution Hydrate, Seal and Shine, and it says daily use glossifier for dry, curly, and natural hair. Also, for a similar effect, I have the Dark and Lovely Au Naturel Anti-Shrinkage Twice as Nice Curl Refresher Spray. Now, this was not really intended to be like a a seal and shine kind of product, but that's what it works on LOCS. That's what it works for me at least. So I like to use mists, like oil mists, to give that hair, to give my hair a nice and shiny look. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell the difference. But especially with black hair, I noticed that it looks really pretty and vibrant when I remember to use some spray. So that's it for my favorite products to use on my locks currently 2018. As my products shift around, I'll definitely come back and make an updated video. But for now, leave me a comment below. Let me know what are your faves for retwist, for shampoo, for conditioner, for leave-in conditioner, for overall moisturizing. Let me know which favorite products are down below. Check out my shop, www.lovelightlocs.storeenvy.com. I hope you're subscribed, thumbs the video up, and share. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.